Senior opposition figure now unmarks position offered and Ruto plot to snatch him from rival camp. Eugene Wamalwa, the leader of the Democratic Action Party, has made a startling revelation regarding his political future. The senior opposition figure has disclosed that President William Ruto has been making concerted efforts to lure him away from the rival camp and into the government fold. According to Wamalwa, the administration has offered him a high-ranking position as a primary initiative to abandon his current political ally. The most significant detail of this revelation is the specific role promised. Wamalwa has stated that he was supposed to replace Aden Duale in the defense docket upon Duale's exit. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.